Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to have Discord overlay in-game. To enable Discord's in-game overlay on your device, follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open the Discord app. Then tap on your profile icon, or also called as U, at the bottom right to go to user settings. Then the minigear icon in the top right corner, tap on it. In user settings, go ahead and scroll down to find the voice option. Tap on it. Look for the option called Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. Toggle this option on. Then here, toggle on Discord and go back by tapping the arrow to the left. This will enable a small, movable overlay while you're in-game, allowing you to see who's talking and control voice settings without switching apps. Now, start any game on your device, and you should see Discord overlay appear on the screen, which you can move around as needed. You can use the overlay to mute, unmute yourself, adjust volume, or see who's currently in the voice chat. Note, mobile game overlay compatibility may vary, and not all games support it smoothly. Make sure Discord app is updated to the latest version to access this feature if available for your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.